Here I have the graph of a relation. Let's find the domain and range of this graph, and we'll start with domain. Remember, domain means x values, so we ask ourselves how far left and how far right does this graph extend? Because of this arrowhead and this arrowhead, this graph extends to negative infinity as far as the x values go, and to positive infinity as far as the x values go. So the domain is all real numbers. All real numbers will be x values. And now let's think of range. And for range, we think of y values. So how far down does this graph extend? How far up does it extend? Well, notice the lowest point is the origin with coordinates 0, 0, which means the smallest y value is 0, and then it extends indefinitely forever toward positive infinity. So for range, we have y values greater than or equal to 0. That's the range. Now let's take a moment, use the vertical line test, and determine whether this relation is also a function. By the vertical line test, can you see that every single vertical line I could possibly draw would cut the graph at most once? In fact, it would cut the graph once. So that means that, yes, this is a function by the vertical line test.